What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you cute jumbo pens from Dollar Tree. We have 4 pens in 4 different prints: Mickey Mouse, Trolls, Fancy Nancy, and Lion King. There's a tag on each one, but I already removed all of them. Now let's take a look at each one of them. Mickey Mouse is yellow with light blue handle. Troll is green with pink handle. Fancy Nancy is pink with yellow handle. And Lion King is mustard with orange handle. These pens are 11 inches tall, and they're plastic, but the handle is rubber, so it is comfortable to hold. And they're retractable pens. See? And they can actually write. Let me show you. Subscribe! If you like these cute jumbo pens, then go get them at Dollar Tree. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video, and hit that bell so you never miss another video. Bye!
Bye everyone!
I'm gonna keep writing.